Okay guys, recording the Vodcast for homework Vodcast number 3. Let me change my pen here to blue, make it a thin pen. Okay, let's make sure that worked. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to read this, underline the key points, and then I'm going to solve the problems for you. At most gas stations, you commonly have the choice between regular and unleaded or super unleaded gasoline. Each type of gas has a number associated with it, so we often see these 89s, 91s, or 96s on the gas tank. This number stands for the percentage of octane gas. Okay, so before we continue, we know that oct means 8, so 8 times 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, so we know that's octane. For example, regular gas is usually 89% octane and 11% ethanol. That's the leftover percentage. The greater the percentage of octane, the more pure the combustion reaction in the car's engine. Okay, so we know if it's a combustion reaction, we're going to have something plus oxygen, and that's going to produce carbon dioxide and water. Thus, two combustion reactions are occurring simultaneously, and that comes from the fact that we'll have octane right here and ethanol. The combustion of octane and the combustion of ethanol. Given this information, please answer the following questions. All right. So what is the formula for octane? We already did that. We know octane is C8H18, and because there is greater than 5 carbons, we know that it's going to be a liquid. Okay. And the explanation, there are more than 5 carbons. So greater than pentane, which is 5 carbons, is going to mean it's always a liquid. What is the formula for ethanol? Alright, so eth means 2, and we know if it ends in all, we can think of it as written that way, where the L stands for the liquid and the O comes from the all, and we know that anything that ends in all with an O is always a liquid. Okay, so it's a liquid because of the oxygen. Alrighty. Write and balance the reaction for the burning of octane. Okay, when you burn a hydrocarbon, it's a combustion reaction. So C8H18 plus O2 goes to CO2 plus H2O. Is it easy? Fa-chow! 8 carbons, I'm going to put an 8 here. 18 hydrogens, I'm going to put a 9 here. With the O's, I got to slow down. 16 O's here plus 9 O's equals 25. Okay, that's an odd number, and anytime you get an odd number, in order to balance out, you have to put 25 or the odd number over 2. You can have a half there, that's perfectly fine. Write and balance the burning of ethanol. So we know, this was a liquid. So we know that ethanol was a liquid. All right, C-H-O. Okay. Fa-chow. 2, 2, 6, 3, slow down, 4 O's plus 3 equals 7. Alright, now your first instinct is going to be to put 7 over 2. But remember, we already have 1 here, and we don't want to put a number in front. If we put a number in front of ethanol, it's going to change the carbons the hydrogens and the oxygens. So we only want to put a number here. So we already have 1 O. So 1 plus what equals 7? If we can get this to be 6 by putting a 3 here, then overall we'll have 7 because 6 plus 1 is 7. So that works perfectly. So when you have an extra O with an alcohol, you got to throw in this little equation. So the formula for octane is C8H18, and it's a liquid because there's more than 6 carbons. The formula for ethanol is C2H6OL, and it's a liquid because all hydrocarbons with oxygen are liquids. Burning octane is C8H10 plus 25 halves O2 goes to 8 CO2s and 9 H2Os. And the burning of ethanol, C2H6O plus 3 O2s goes to 2 CO2s and 3 H2Os. Watch out when you got O's in both places. Set up your little equation and solve for it. Great job.